Hi guys, welcome to Skylines YT. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to add custom sounds for your keyboard. So let's start guys. First open up your browser. So when it loads, search MacVibes download. You can choose any of these. So I use this one. I'll put the link in the description. And now you can click on download. So I've already downloaded it. It'll be right here, so you can open it. So this screen will pop up when you open it, so you can choose which sound you want. This one's my favorite.